What is up mga kalagarahe? New day, new build. Let's go!
The trap is sprung.
For today's video is magpa-parts reveal tayo sa ginawa nating custom Honda TMX 150 Supremo na bobber build. For this client is, he's still from Cagayan de Oro, so taga dito lang. And then, balik kami na nag-provide ng brand new base bike niya, purchasing ng base bike, and pagpili din ng base bike, tinulungan namin siya. Kasi, he wanted that version 1 ng Mini Rebel na ginawa natin. If you can remember this one. Ayan. So, yan yung request niya ipagawa. But then, after a while, after 2 weeks ata pagbili namin sa base bike, nagsuggest ako sa kanya na, Sir, why not? Ibahin naman natin ng kaunti yung papabuild mong bobber. So, sabi naman niya, sige, no problem naman. Okay naman sa akin yun. Ikaw na mag-decide lahat, pati sa color scheme. Ang gusto niya lang talaga is black. So, ako na daw bahala sa design and everything. So, ang special request din nga lang niya is may detachable na pinion seat or passenger seat. So, yun lang. So, for now, re-reveal natin kung ano yung nagawa natin. Ayan. So, ito yung gusto ni Sir Bobber. And then, when we sent him the photos sa ginawa natin, sabi niya lang naman na na-exceed yung expectations niya. Kasi we improved the version 1 ng Mini Rebel na ginawa natin. So, ayan. So, start off tayo sa parts reveal sa tank. So, this is a universal gas tank. And then, mid-rise handlebar. Ayan. Analog speedometer. Ayan. Then, wide view na side mirror. Yes. And then, LED na headlight. Yung telescopic fork niya is stuck pa din. Pero, kinonvert natin yung center post niya, 333 at triple clamp niya, pang TMX 155 para mas malapad. Custom handmade aluminum fenders. Ayan. Bracket. And ito yung bagong stock fork boots ng Supremo, which is I really like. Nakakataba siya sa fork. And then converted to disc brake. Yan, 16-inch na rims and tires. Harap at likuran, 16. Custom na paint job sa engine. Ayan, naka-thermal wrap na din. Bullet pipe. Ito, yung favorite part ko ang ginawa natin. Ito yung custom aluminum side cover. Ayan. So, naka-bead-roll to lahat. And then, ang ginawa ko, dual tone yung pagka-black. May glossy and matte. Same as with the gas tank. So, yung fenders is matte. Front and rear. Ayan. So, para may may a little bit of contrast. Ayan. Sa seat tayo, custom. All custom from seat pan to seat frame. I mean, seat frame to upholstery. Pati pag-shape ng foam, custom. Bobber shock. Custom. Bobber rear fender. Ayan. Custom bracket natin. Then, yung favorite natin na mini turn signal lights. Ayan. And then, LED taillight with plate number bracket. Same sa front na signal light. So, ayan. Yan yung build natin. And then, before ko makalimutan, may pinagawa si Sir detachable na pinion seat. Ito yung sinabi ko kanina. Ayan. Kakabit lang to dyan. With this installed, ito yung nagiging result niya. Ayan. By the way, mga kalagaray, itong gawa natin is an original concept. So, I studied for the looks of it, na kung ano yung magiging final result niya sa build. And then yung lines and aesthetic, pinagdiinan ko din ng pansin para to give a little uniqueness sa mga ginawa nating mini rebel. Kasi ang dami kasi nag-i-inquire sa mga ginagawa naming mini rebels. So we had 3 versions of mini rebel. So I hope this one gets another version 2 of this build. Ayan. So this is gonna be the original concept, Lagarahe concept, bobber build, TMX Supremo version 1. So I'm still thinking about the name, kung ano yung lalagay natin na pangalan. Ayun, we hope na marami kayong natutunan and then na-admire nyo rin yung original concept na ginawa natin. Ayan. And then thank you for always supporting us. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please, kung mag-i-inquire kayo, please visit our Facebook page. Doon kayo mag-PM for inquiries. Kasi dito sa comment, di namin masyadong nababasa. So, PM kayo sa page namin for inquiries. And then, doon na tayo mag-usap. And sa mga nagtatanong, we are located in Cagayan de Oro City, here in Mindanao. And we do shipping nationwide to ports of Cebu, Iloilo, Bohol, Manila. So, those 4 ports lang po ang pwede namin ipapa-ship yung bike. And we're sorry for that. Pero we can find a way naman na ma-ship papunta sa inyo. So, ayun lang. Let's go for the cinematic.